Hello and welcome back to Quantitative Reasoning Online. 8B, what's my car worth? Questions 1 through 3. Alright, so let's go through the questions, see what they have. And by completion, go back and do them on your own. And then work the assignment. So question 1. Two parts. So given the point, minus 12, minus 8, minus 8, 12, two things. We need to find the slope and the equation that contains a point. So M, slope, standard equation, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, and I'm going to name this guy 1 and this guy 2. Plug in the appropriate numbers. y2 is 12. y1 is minus 8. x2 is minus 8. And x1 is minus 12. So 12 minus minus means this is really 12 plus 8. And negative 8 minus minus means minus 8 plus 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. Minus 8 plus 12 is 4. Yeah. 4. So 5. So we have slope of 5. Oops, in the way. Now find the equation. So again, generally, y equals mx plus b. We figured out m. I have 2 points to use. Which one looks easier? I think I'll use this guy. So when y is 12, x is minus 8, remember, that's x, that's y. So 12 equals 5 times minus 8, which is minus 40, plus b, which is an algebra here. So 52 equals b. So I think y is 5x plus 52. But let's put those numbers in and see if it works. So y is minus 8 and x is minus 12. Is that true? Well, 5 times minus 12 is minus 60. Minus 52 is minus 8. Yes, that is a true statement. So 5x plus 52. And that is correct. Again, we first found slope using the 2 points, the difference of y over the difference of x, which got us to a partial equation. Then we just use one of the x, y's to fill in the x and y of the equation to find b, which gave us a maybe complete equation for slope and intercept. Use the other point as a check just to verify that it works. Another one, pretty much the same thing. Again, 0.1, 0.2, as mixes up a little bit. Let's make this 2 and that 1. Doesn't matter what order you put them in. Again, so slope would be y2, which is 57, minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if it's 7 minus 39, 3 minus 9. Here we go. And of course, 7 minus 39 is 22. And 3 minus 9 is 6. Hang on a second. $57 minus 39. 17 minus 9 is 8. Oh, that's what it's 18. Over 6. Because 18 over 6 is now 3. Is this correct? No. Lost a sign. 3 minus 9 is minus 6. So minus 3. There we go. Alright, now let's find the equation of the line that contains a point. So generally we know it's going to be y equals minus 3x plus b. So let's pick one of those points. Which one? Let's make a lot of difference. Let's do the first one. Let's use this guy. So when y is 57, x will be 3. And minus 3 times 3 is 9. Add 9 to both sides. So 63 equals b. That's not right. 7 plus 9 is 16, carry the 1, 66. So I think y is minus 3x plus 66. Last check. Let's plug this guy in. So y is 39 and x is 9. Is that a true statement? 39 equals minus 27 plus 66. 66 minus 27. 16 minus 7 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. 39 equals 39. Yes. So minus 3x plus 56. And that was correct. Okay. Made some basic math errors along the way. But even if this wasn't caught, okay, say I use 3. Okay. Say this was not, say this mistake wasn't caught right away. and I used it up here. Okay. We would have gotten a solution. Okay. We would have gotten an answer, but once we were done the check, guess what? We would have found this not being true, which would have been a clue to go back and, hey, you know, something screwed up. Okay. So that's why it's very, very important to always do this check. I cannot underemphasize that. Okay, next question. This is my phone. Recall proportional. Again, we're just trying to see does y over x equal a constant. So let's see. Y over x equals 5 for this one. Y over x equals 5. And then y over x equals 5. So yeah, this one's proportional. So it would appear so y equals 5x. Okay, not proportional. Proportional because it's not the same. That means it's not proportional. Value are proportional because the ratio of y to x for each point is 5. Let's check this guy. 15 over 5 is 3. 12 over 6 is 2. Okay. It's not proportional, but just for fun. What's the other one? Okay, so not proportional. Okay. Yes, but they're not constant. It's not proportional. Has to be C. Yep. All right, and that completes the questions. So now, done the question. I want you to go back and do the questions yourself, and again get the points for the assignment. For this preview assignment, and completion of that, you will then be ready to watch Stephanie's video on the workbook problems. And again, so do the workbook, following along with Stephanie here. Make a PDF copy, submit it for assignment, and then work the practice assignment. And I will see you shortly, maybe today, maybe tomorrow, for 8C. Good luck.